Hey guys, welcome back to Totally Mainstream. I don't have an intro for this video, but I'm just gonna start off with freshly washed hair. I use the new Tracy Ellis Ross products and they worked so well, so I shampooed and conditioned, and this is my hair after a couple of hours. It's kind of dry, and yeah, so we're just gonna begin. I'm gonna section off the top of my hair so I can begin on the back, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tie the front up with a hair tie and then section the back two pieces into two separate sections. Then I'm going to go in with my revitalizing leave-in conditioner, the Jane Carter solution. It's kind of diluted with water, but yeah, I'm going to spray that in there just to moisturize, and then I'm going to brush it with my Denman brush. After that, I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner, and this product worked so well on my hair. I loved it so much. Next, I'm going to go in with the olive oil smooth and hold pudding and just moisturize that through my hair and go ahead and comb it afterward. Now I'm just going to repeat this process throughout the remainder of my hair. With the first section complete, I'm going to go in with Got To Be Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel and just slick back the top and bottom. So the point of this is basically just to have a bunch of little sections of buns so that your hair is more slicked back and easier to put into one giant bun. With the last section complete, we can go ahead and add in that styling gel and just start to do our edges. I like to make myself look like Abraham Lincoln and pull out some of my baby hairs towards my ears. Now I'm just tying this down with a scarf and waiting. Now that everything is dried down, I can go ahead with my ponytail, and I got this from my beauty store. It was only about $12.99, and I love this puff. You're just going to attach the clips to your bun, and then you're going to tie it with the string as tight as you can, and then wrap that string around your hair. For extra support, you can add in bobby pins to make sure that it doesn't fly away like a tumbleweed in the wind. To fluff out your puff, you can just add in some water. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.